Today, we will talk about how to start a successful online business. Let's have a look at the details. Starting a home internet business can be an exciting and low-cost way to make extra money or start a new career. However, it can also be difficult to make your business a success. To increase your chances of success, create a business plan for your home-based business. Then, complete any necessary paperwork and set up your website. Finally, market your products or services to potential customers. The first step is creating a business plan. Decide on the products or services your business will provide. Consider your unique abilities, training, or experience. Then, ask yourself how you can use these skills to create a product or service that provides value to your potential customers. Determine how much time you can spend on your business daily. First, decide if you want your business to be your full-time job or a part-time job. Then, consider how much time you have available in your day to dedicate to the business. Additionally, consider how much time the products or services you plan to offer will take to do well. Do market research to find out if there's demand for your product or service. Read about the current trends in the field you want to enter and look at the number of possible competitors. Make sure your products and services are a good fit for an internet business. Not all businesses can exist as online or home-based businesses. For instance, if your business requires you to meet with clients or do extensive manufacturing, you may not be able to do it out of your home. However, some businesses are easy to operate out of a home, such as the following: accounting, financial planning, selling your own art, jewelry, or crafts, creating gift baskets, blogging, consulting, doing graphic design, offering editorial and writing services, being a virtual assistant, developing websites. Set a budget for starting and continuing your business. The costs of starting your business will vary dramatically depending on the specific type of business being offered. For example, a home-based online bookstore requires inventory that you need to purchase. Alternatively, a service-based business may require little startup capital. Estimate how much money you'll need to get the basic materials for your business. Write your business plan. A strategic business plan will help you stay on track to reach your goals, so even a small business needs a plan. The second step is registering your business. Determine the legal structure of your business. You may wish to consult a lawyer who specializes in internet law and who can help you pick the structure best for you. Register your business name with your state government, if necessary. Determine if you need to get a tax identification number for your business. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to run your business. You may not need any special licenses or permits, but it helps to check. Otherwise, you may be fined or penalized for not having the correct documentation. Register your trademarks and other proprietary information. You can check the description box for the best online business course. The third step is establishing your website. Decide if you want to hire a professional web designer or do it yourself. A professional can create a polished website, but their services can also be expensive. If you have web developing skills, you might decide to just build the site yourself. Select a web host if you're building your website yourself. A web host provides the space and support services necessary to run your website. Register your domain name either on your own or through your web host. Your domain name is the web address of your online business. Decide how you will build your website if you're doing it yourself. There are multiple options available for creating a website, and the option you choose will vary based on your web design abilities, time, and level of quality demanded. Organize your site and provide content. Whether you build your site yourself or use a designer, you will still need to create the content that fills the site. Improve your website's placement in searches with search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization will help your website show up near the top of searches. Decide whether you want to use e-commerce software or have transactions handled by a third party. A third-party site, such as Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon, may be easier to set up. Plus, these sites may provide more technical support. Alternatively, you can install an e-commerce platform directly on your website with services like Squarespace, Magento, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, or Webs. These services are more powerful and customizable, but also require much more time and technical know-how. Make sure your website is polished and user-friendly. And the fourth step is marketing your business. Explore pay-per-click advertising. Buying traffic is the quickest way to bring people to your site, and vendors will allow you to target specific geographical areas with keyword searches. Make contacts and establish affiliate sites. Affiliate sites bring high-quality traffic that often translates into sales. Create a social media presence. Americans spend 1 out of every 7 minutes on social media, and this represents a tremendous marketing opportunity. Start by focusing on the platform your customers are most likely to be on and build a presence there. Use press releases. Promote your website in the real world. Keep up with reviews on sites like Yelp and Kudzu. Good reviews are a great way to get business, and the best way to get them is to provide friendly, quality service and great products. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.